Let me show you the 5 new clay colors and tell you how I used them on 5 pieces. This is Emma. We're using Flirtatious, which is a really fun, bold pink for this girl's dresser. I give 2.5 good coats. A half coat is where you just go touch up the little spaces you need, sealed it in Big Top, and then added black wax. The black wax sits down in all the details to make this pink vibrant yet a little more subtle to match my black knobs. Next up is this really cool radio cabinet that I'm calling Helen, after my grandma. She loved green, and this green is called Eden, and it is so good. It reminds me of the hunter green that I have a lot of younger people asking for now, and I am so excited. This might be my favorite. Helen gets 2 good coats of this luscious color, and then we seal her up with Big Top, and she is ready to go. I get some slight distressing when I seal with Big Top, and I am okay with that because this old gal has been around and has a story to tell. Next up is this little retro table that I am painting in Electrified. I'm going over Walk on Water because I originally put that color on, but Electrified I think suits this table really well. Here I am sealing it up with Big Top to show you how that works, and I think Erin is ready for a young, fun household. What do you think? The next up is Walk on Water. It is a gorgeous teal, and we are adding it to a dresser I'm calling Sandy. Sandy is one of my babysitters when I was an infant, and she gave me this gorgeous dresser. So we're doing 2 good coats of this. Then I seal it with Sweet Pickins matte top coat and added black wax and these gorgeous knobs. What do you think? Last of the 5 is a color called Blood Moon. It is a vibrant purple. We are using this little coffee table to give it 2 good coats, seal it with Big Top, and then add some black wax. And this little sweetie will look so good in a young, fun home. All these colors are available now. You can get in the shop or shop online. And guess what? Big Top is 20% off. You guys, it's never happened before. So get in, get some new colors, and stock up. It's been a while since we've released new clay colors, and we're very excited to show them to you. We've been waiting. So come on in or hit up the website. I appreciate you so very much, and I'll see you again soon. Take good care.